What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Monji TV. On today's episode, we're working on the 1M clone again. We're currently doing the roof skin. If you've seen our BMW M2 roof skin removal, this is going to be similar, but now we're getting the 1 Series ready for a cage. You can see Eddie's already jamming out on the roof skin. Hold on 1 second. Eddie?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
1 second. So as you can see, we're starting to grind the spot welds. We've marked them red, just as we did with the M2. We've gone around and removed all 4 bolts. There's 2 bolts per side that go here that hold the panel in place as well. Eddie's gonna work all of these spot welds for me. I'm just gonna set the camera up on a time lapse, capture some of that content. Honestly, it's really boring. We're just gonna run around, grind them all, get them to where basically you can see the lower panel starting to pop through. Here, if you can see that, guys, there's kind of like an etched little ring. That's the lower panel starting to peek through the top panel. So I'm gonna let him do his thing, jam out on this, and then we'll show you when we're done, and we'll start ripping the panel off, and then we'll clean the car and get it ready for the cage that should be arriving soon. So super excited. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of content. We really haven't filmed much of the 1 Series. After we do the roof skin and the cage, we're gonna be continuing in on the quarter panels and doing the whole entire quarter panel to make it a true 1M clone and just move this thing along. So super excited to be making some progress. You've seen previously us do the rear subframe, which is still sitting here on the side of the car. Hasn't gone in yet. We don't want to throw the weight balance off. But anyhow, I'm gonna let him do his thing and then we'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, we've been working on the 1 Series 1M clone quite a bit. The rear end is in. It's almost complete. We'll show you that here in a bit. There's a bunch of new parts. We'll run you down what's been done. We have these Moton 3-ways, which I'm super amped about. Love these things. These things are beautiful. Huge shout out to Moton. Can't thank you guys enough. We love their suspension. It is top of the notch, made in the Netherlands, and we're gonna be going ahead and installing it on the car now because we need to make this thing rolling. So let's go ahead, get these rear coilovers in and these front coilovers in. So all the hardware is there, everything you need comes with them, ready to install. So we're gonna go ahead and get these fitted up and get the suspension hanging by itself. So yeah, let's get it done. We're back working on the 1 Series build. We got to make some progress on this thing. We've been working on the M2, which you guys have seen so much, and just regular customer work. This 1 Series needs some progress. So we're tearing the electrical box apart, wiring harness, box, fuse box apart. The ECU lives in there. A bunch of stuff kind of lives in there. We're tearing that apart so that we can get the harness out of the chassis. As you guys have seen before, the chassis was already like stripped, roof was taken off of it, bunch of stuff, but I need to get the dash out. I need to get all the stuff out behind the dash, get this stuff out of the way so we can get the cage kits in, which we've got the cage kits in the M2. You guys have seen it. This stuff looks amazing. They've gone out of the way to make me a custom cage 3D scan to the car. Same with the 1 Series, so we've got a custom cage for the 1 Series. It's gonna go to Darnell's shop who did this. We've also done the whole subframe, all the suspension, the Moton 3-ways. This thing's pretty sick. We need to get the cage in it. Then we'll get the dash, AC, all that stuff back in it, wiring harness, the S55 in it, manual, and have some fun with her. This though, we'll go to paint soon. It's almost there. I fitted the dash bar and AC components and dash a bit, so that's also something to stay tuned for. But we're working on this car today, so let's get back to it. I'm gonna strip this thing out, get everything out of the way so Darnell has nothing in the way to work with. This harness completely out of the way, unlike the two I made him work around the harness. Kind of regrettably, I'm gonna almost still probably strip it. So. Let's go. All right, guys, we made a bit of progress. Got the whole column torn down. Obviously, the dash skin off. A lot of hidden bolts. This 1 Series is kind of funky, so I just went ahead and jammed on. It would have been so hard to film because I would have been jumping all around the car. So I may just put you guys, so we're currently gonna take out the dash bar. I also kind of need to go through it all real quick one time and make sure we're not missing any wires that are clipped to it or bolts that are hidden before we just yank on it. But I gotta get that side too. Just pulling anything out of the way that I previously was working on. Set it over here on the table so we have less things to worry about. There's definitely some stuff to the AC. We're mainly worried about stuff that's attached to the dash bar. Ignition wire and everything in place. Quite interesting how BMW's chosen to do that. I can feel a little button. I don't know how I'm supposed to. I'm sure it's the same situation with this one. All right, we got that out of the way. Now we can see more harness that's attached to this dash bar. Couple 13s up here. All right, guys, I just kind of had to jam because the tow guy is here. The whole wiring harness is out, AC box is out. I will be sending the AC box and the steering column with the car. All the necessary hardware and stuff that is needed. I've cleaned out the car, gotten any tools or excess hardware out of it. It's ready to go to Darnell's. So took the hood off. We're gonna go ahead and just push this thing out. Not much to say about it. I may throw some wood under the rear because it's sitting on the tires pretty hard. It's so low. And with this tire setup, it needs the wide body fenders. But anyways, let's not talk about it. Let's be about it. Let's get this thing up in the air. Maybe put some wood under it. Get it out here for this guy. We moved the M2. Maybe got to move some of this other stuff. And yeah, get her on to Darnell's. All right, guys. Here the 1 Series. It's fully stripped, gutted, everything that needs to be in it. And I do need to throw the... All right, guys. I don't know what you got of that, but car's on the trailer. Headed to Darnell's shop. Gotta get the AC unit in there. Keep forgetting that. Go grab it. Needs it to mount the dash bar. Whew, this is what I'm talking about. This whole AC control unit needs to go with the car. So we'll go ahead and bring this back to the car. Put it in there nice and safely. She looks good though. On to the next stage of the build. She will come back all caged. Quick look at the fall lines and the motons. Woo! H&Rs, SPL. Fucking sick. All right, well, we'll see you guys when it gets to Darnell's. I'll get some footage there. I'm actually not gonna go with the car, but see ya when some cage work has happened. Huge shout out to Cage Kits and Caleb from Darnell Designs, knocking it out of the park. So stay tuned, another sick cage coming our way. All right, guys, today is the day the M2C is finally coming home. We're super excited to get the car home. Huge update on the 1 Series. The 1 Series being dropped off to get the cage painted and the exterior of the car painted. I'm super excited as well to get that done. So these videos will kind of be getting posted or at least featuring each other a bit, but the M2 is looking sick. It's been a long time coming and I'm just excited to get it home and get it assembled. Paint's looking awesome. Car is fully protected, painted, and nice and shiny. So very excited to get it home, get the dash installed, wiring harness and interior bits, get the carbon roof on it and whatnot. Not sure what that is, but we'll put it in the car. It's been about a month and a half, guys, since I've had this thing at the shop, and I'm just ready to get her cleaned up. There's a lot of stuff with a lot of overspray and just dust from being in the paint and body shop here, which I'm really looking to get cleaned up. I do not like that at all. A lot of nooks and crannies got dust in it, so should be getting a cleaning immediately. And we'll be getting this 1 Series off the tow truck here. I've got to help him because these cars don't roll very well, so we've got to get this thing unloaded, get the 2 Series out, and then yeah. So anyhow, I'm gonna set this camera down, help him unload this thing, and get these cars moving. Get this M2 back to the shop. Do you want me to like just pull it back with my truck, you think? 'Cause I was thinking you were gonna put it here and then we'd grab the M2 and then I was gonna pull it backwards, but no, I would have pulled the truck beyond the tow truck and then later pulled it back or whatever. It's okay, just drop it. I'll figure it out. The problem is, if I tow it backwards, I can't pull it forwards because my truck will be back here. Well, yeah, because if you drop this here, you're just gonna block the M2. So you need to drop it like over here a little bit or go farther forward and put it to the right. Trying to figure out where to put this thing, guys. I think the easiest thing is to drop it here to the right. And that way he can put the tow truck to the left of the car, pick up the M2, and then we can pull the 1 Series backwards. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. This should work. You should almost put a little angle on it so you can get the truck in there after. Or not, whatever you prefer. Yeah, I feel it. You want me to just unhook it and just let it go? It's fine, bro. It ain't gonna fucking roll away. It's not, can't roll. Yeah. It's fine. Just pull it. Use the momentum. And then now we can either just push the M2 up and you can just load it here. Do you want me to like just pull it back with my truck, you think? 'Cause I was thinking you were gonna put it here and then we'd grab the M2 and then I was gonna pull it backwards, but no, I would have pulled the truck beyond the tow truck and then later pulled it back or whatever. It's okay, just drop it. I'll figure it out. The problem is, if I tow it backwards, I can't pull it forwards because my truck will be back here. Well, yeah, because if you drop this here, you're just gonna block the M2. So you need to drop it like over here a little bit or go farther forward and put it to the right. Trying to figure out where to put this thing, guys. I think the easiest thing is to drop it here to the right. And that way he can put the tow truck to the left of the car, pick up the M2, and then we can pull the 1 Series backwards. But you should almost put a little angle on it so you can get the truck in there after. Or not, whatever you prefer. You want me to just unhook it and just let it go? It's fine, bro. It ain't gonna fucking roll away. It's not, can't roll. It's fine. Just pull it. Use the momentum. And then now we can either just push the M2 up and you can just load it here. So us three will just push it. The thing is it's gonna be hard as turning it because it doesn't fucking steer like the other one. You guys wanna push it and I'll turn it? What do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. This one's a fucking bitch to turn. We might not be able to turn it, actually. Fucking, I can grab it with my truck or try and pull it over or something, drag it. You may have the wheel dolly things though, huh? Yeah, those will make it easy. If we do the back, we can just swing it right now and then drive it forward. If you do the front, it's gonna run to the red car. It may be easier to do the back right now and then bring it all the way over and then we can just push it, Jesus, guys. Trying to get the M2 resituated here. Tell you what, guys, they tell you about how cool it is to build a race car. They don't tell you about how much of a fucking pain in the ass it is. It's all the little stuff like this, right, that you don't consider when you're trying to build a car that takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, and multiple people to get it dealt with. Bro, what is this, dude? All right, well, this is the final resting place for the 1 Series. I'm not sure if I captured it, guys, but we did throw some little gussets on the cage here just to this front support just to make it a little bit stiffer. Car is gonna be sick, all painted white on the inside. Not sure what we're gonna do on the exterior color, but stay tuned and find out. This is the last time you guys are gonna see it bare, unless I decide to come up here and check it out one more time. But anyhow, we've got to get going. The M2 has already left. We got to jump in the truck. Look at Manji. She's trying to straight get out of this thing. So we're gonna take off. We're gonna go catch up with the M2, head back to the shop, get it unloaded, and start the assembly process. It's been a long time coming. We are so excited to get moving on the assembly of this car. And yeah, super stoked, super excited. we'll catch you guys when we get there. The tow truck driver had to stop for some gas. Honestly, could probably use a little gas myself. Might grab a little gas, maybe a drink for the road. Manji probably needs some water. And we'll see you guys at the shop. See you soon. If you liked this video, be sure to check out the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, and see you in the next one. Let's go!